alternating currents. Electromagnetic induction class continue in the morning time. Okay, this is the new chapter. The chapter name is alternating currents. Okay, look here, all of you. The new chapter name is alternating currents. Now I discuss. Look here. First, alternating current. Its meaning. Simply, it is denoted by AC. AC means alternating current. This can be explained by using one graph. In the graph, time can be taken as x-axis. Current can be taken as y-axis. Okay, look here. Here, according to this graph, current changes. Once again I repeat, according to this graph, current changes with respect to time. According to this graph, current changes with respect to time. Okay, once again I repeat, according to this graph, current changes with respect to time. These currents are called alternating currents. Once again I repeat, what is the meaning of alternating current? The current changes with respect to time. These currents are called as alternating currents. Next, alternating voltages. Here again the graph is drawn. Time can be taken as x-axis. Voltage can be taken as y-axis. This is the graph. According to this graph, voltage changes with respect to time. These voltages are called alternating voltages. These alternating currents, these alternating voltages generally used in the household purposes. Simply, మనం ఇంట్లో వాడే కరెంట్ని ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ కరెంట్ అంటారు. మన ఇంట్లోకి వచ్చే వోల్టేజ్ని ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ వోల్టేజ్ అంటారు. ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్ టు బి ఫాలో ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ వోల్టేజ్. ఇన్ హౌస్హోల్డ్ పర్పసెస్, government to supply the alternating current and alternating voltage, its value is 220 volts. Indian government supplies alternating voltage is 220 volts. Alane frequency of the AC. Once again I repeat, look here. This is called cycle. This is positive half cycle. This is negative half cycle. Positive half cycle plus negative half cycle is totally called as cycle. Once again I repeat, what is the meaning of cycle? This is the positive half cycle. This is the negative half cycle. This completely called as, once again I repeat, this is a positive half cycle, this is a negative half cycle, completely called as cycle. Here Indian government follows the frequency of the AC is 50 Hz. Simply, Hz meaning is cycle per second. Simply, per 1 second 50 cycles will be passing. That means ఇది ఒక సైకిల్ అంటే 1 సెకండ్లో ఇలాంటి సైకిల్స్ ఎన్ని వస్తాయి? 50. అందుకే నేను ఏదైనా ఎలక్ట్రికల్ షాక్ వచ్చినప్పుడు the body will be more oscillate because Indian government follows the frequency of the AC is given 50 Hz. 50 Hz means 50 cycles made per second. Okay, Nano? This is, look here, hold. Next, I define DC. DC is called direct current. Look here. DC is called direct current. Direct current. According to graph, this will be explained. Time can be taken as x-axis. Here, current can be taken as y-axis. In the situation, this is the graph. According to this graph, time changes, but current does not change. Simply, here the current does not change with respect to time. This current always fixed. These currents are called direct current. And again, I draw the graph Nana. This is voltage time graph. This graphs also say simply the voltage does not change with respect to time. That voltage is called direct voltage. That voltage is called direct voltage. According to this situation, this can be direct currents or direct voltages can be occurred from battery. Simply, batteries lo unde voltage enti direct voltage, unde current enti direct current. Simply, in batteries, storage current is direct current, storage voltage is direct voltage. I discuss very important topic, average currents. Average currents. Okay? Here now. In the chapter, this is a deleted portion, Nana. That's why directly I given formula. This average current formula is integration of I dt by integration of dt. This formula is very useful to determine the average currents. What is the average current formula? Integration of I dt by integration of dt. Here I indicate instantaneous current. Today, in the last 5 minutes, I discuss instantaneous currents. First to look here. Average currents. What is the formula to solve the problem? Integration of I dt by integration of dt. Nana, look here. This is the cycle, Nana. This cycle, this is called positive half cycle. This is called negative half cycle. Time taken to complete the cycle, that time is called time period. It is denoted by capital T. Once again I repeat. What is the definition of time period? Time taken to complete one cycle here. Nana, here to here, half cycle takes time is T by 2. Okay? Here, Nana, average current during positive half cycle I can be calculate. Look here, Nana. Average current during positive half cycle. Positive half cycle means here limits are substitute 0 to T by 2. Here 0, here T by 2. Here substitute, finally we get the formula is 2 I naught by pi. Here I naught is called maximum current. Maximum current. ORR, crust current, crust, ORR, amplitude current, I naught is called maximum current, ORR, crust current, ORR, amplitude current. Nana, directly I given because this is the deleted topic. average current during positive off cycle formula 2 I naught by pi. Similarly, average current during negative off cycle equal to, here limits change t by 2 to t by 2 t. Because of limits change, it will be minus 2 I naught by pi. Here, what is the I naught? Maximum current. What is the I naught? Maximum current over crust current. Here, average current during complete cycle means average current due to positive off cycle plus average current during negative off cycle. Simply 2 I naught by pi, positive off cycle completed. Next, negative off cycle minus 2 I naught by pi. This one cancel. Finally we get 0. Simply average current during complete cycle is during complete cycle is 0. Once again I repeat, average current during complete cycle is 0. Complete cycle is what, Nana? 0. This meaning is these currents cannot measure because in a complete cycle current becomes what happens? 0. Simply these currents cannot measuring by using galvanometer, ammeter. These currents cannot measure by using ammeter by galvanometer. So these currents cannot follow because month మొత్తం వాడుకుంటాం మనం, చివరికి కరెంట్ బిల్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 0. దట్ మీనింగ్ ఈజ్ మనం ఇంట్లో మంచిగా ఫ్యాన్ వేసుకుంటాం, లైట్ ఆన్ చేస్తాం, ఏసీ ఆన్ చేస్తాం, ఫ్రిడ్జ్ ఆన్ చేస్తాం, అన్ని ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ గూడ్స్ వాడతాం. చివరికి ఈ కరెంట్స్ కనుక గవర్నమెంట్ పంపిస్తే యావరేజ్ కరెంట్స్ 1 సైకిల్కి ఎంత? 0. 2 సైకిల్స్కి ఎంత? 0. చివరికి కరెంట్ బిల్ 0. మనం కేసీఆర్ గారికి కట్టేది కూడా 0. దట్స్ వై ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్ స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ నాట్ ఫాలో యావరేజ్ కరెంట్స్, ఓకే. Average EMF, that means average voltage during positive off cycle. The formula is 2 E naught by 2 E naught by pi. ఇందాకే వచ్చింది 2 I naught by pi. Next one, average EMF during negative off cycle is equal to minus 2 E naught by pi. Once again I repeat, average EMF during positive off cycle formula is 2 E naught by pi. Average EMF during negative off cycle is minus 2 E naught by pi. Here ఇందాక I naught నేమన్నాం? maximum current. E naught is nothing but the maximum EMF. Similarly, average EMF during complete cycle is here 2 E naught by pi minus 2 E naught by pi. Finally we get 0. Simply this average EMF during complete cycle is zero. These EMFs cannot measure by using voltmeter. So Indian governments or our state government not follow average EMFs. Here E naught and maximum EMF, crest EMF, amplitude EMF. This is the average currents or average EMFs.